Welcome to day 10 of Strength, 30 Days of Tai Chi. In today's session, we explore the elegance and fluidity of Tai Chi that allows for movements to flow naturally and with ease. This practice is about learning to move with grace, minimizing strain, and maximizing the smooth, flowing nature of each movement. So without further ado, find a place where you can do some mindful movement. So as always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect. Just follow along the best you can. I'll be your mirror image and you can have a seat at any time. We'll begin with the feet together or as close as you can. The hands can come to the lower abdomen, taking a few deep breaths in and out. As you breathe in, the belly expands. As you breathe out, the belly returns toward the spine, abdominal breathing. Just taking a moment to feel into the body. Just feeling the effortlessness of breath. As if the body is breathing all on its own. You don't have to do a thing. Just being here is enough. Then on the next inhale, you can hold the breath at the top just for a moment, and then let it out with a big sigh, just letting out tension and stress. The hands can float down by the sides. As you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as if you're gathering in energy, bring it into the heart, and then send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather, breathing out, directing down. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Effortless. One more time, sink the chi, and then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front. The arms float down, the knees and hips soften, opening the door. Breathing in, breathing out. Rising up, letting go. One more time, opening the door. This time the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the fingertips point up, and then gently rotate to one side. One hand spirals forward, the other spirals behind. Coming back to center, rotating the other way, making the tiger claws. Breathing in, gentle rotation. Breathing out, one more time, the tiger claw. This time the hands keep going all the way up overhead, then they spiral out and away. Silk reeling, the upward spirals. Breathing in, breathing out. Just feeling all the sensations that you can, bringing mindfulness to the body. One more time, silk reeling, upward spirals. And then reverse direction with the arms, coming up and over. The fingertips point down, they come down the center, and then spiral out and away. Silk reeling, downward spirals. Softening down, letting go. Breathing in, breathing out one more time. Silk reeling, downward spirals. And then from here, circle in front, hugging the tree. And then draw the hands in towards the heart. And then press out to the side with both hands, leaning over to that side too. Coming back to center, push to the other side. The dragon stretches its tail. This time, as you push out to the side, the opposite foot touches out to the other side. It's a gentle reach, stepping out to the side. On the other side. And then this time you can tap the toes in front, like you're testing out the water. Back in. Other side, tap the toes out in front. This time you can tap the toes behind. Other side. And you can keep on tapping directly behind, or this time you can cross diagonally behind. One more time, the dragon stretches its tail. And then step in and hug the tree. From here, the hands turn, one hand on top of the other. The bottom hand drops down, toss away. The hand waves in towards the center and then presses forward, right towards me. Other side, toss away. The hand comes forward, repulsing the monkey, calming the monkey mind, creating focus and clarity. Breathing in, breathing out. Or taking as many breaths as you need. One more time, repulsing the monkey. This time, both hands drift over to the side. They float down and then drift out to the corner. They circle around and then out to the other corner, making a figure 8 in front of the body. So gentle rotation. If you get lost, you can just simply drift side to side. Just letting go of tension. Polishing the table as if your hands are gliding on a nice smooth surface, making it shine. All right, one more time. Polishing the table. And then from here, both arms drift up to shoulder height and then switching sides. This time, the palms face away, the hands drift across the horizon and then down. Floating up, drift across, painting on the canvas. One more time, breathing in, breathing out. This time the arms float all the way up and over like a big wave, the Chen circles. Opening the shoulders, lubricating the joints, moving with ease. One more time, the Chen circles. And then reverse direction with the arms. They float up to shoulder height, palms face away. The hands drift across the horizon and then down. Floating up, drift across, painting on the canvas. All right, one more time. Nice and easy, nice and slow. This time the arms float up and over the Chen circles, making a big wave. And just coming up as much as you can comfortably, just letting go of striving. One more time. The Chen circles. And then circle in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open wide. This hand here drops down and drifts over. The hands switch positions, and then they float across like clouds in the sky. The hands switch again, wave hands like clouds, drifting across, letting go, softening the shoulders and the neck, the face and the jaw. Soften the eyes as well, using only what you need. One more time, drift across, cloud hands. This time the top hand makes a hook, bottom hand comes up, the bottom hand floats across the horizon, palm turns out, circle it around again, single whip. Drift across, palm turns out. This time you can step in if you like, and then step out as the hand floats across. One more time, single whip. You can always soften the hook arm. And then release the hook. The hand drifts over, wave hands like clouds. Take your time stepping in, drift across, breathing, letting go. This time the top hand makes a hook, bottom hand comes up and then floats across, palm turns out, circle it around again, single whip. And you can keep going just like that, or if you want this time, you can step in and then step out as the hand floats across. One more time, single whip. Then release the hook. The hand drifts over. Wave hands like clouds. Letting go of any tension you don't need as we learn to move like nature with effortless ease. We'll drift across a few more times like a moving meditation. One more time, drift across, and then this time making two loose fists, reverse direction and drag the clouds across the sky, and then switch. Drift across the storm clouds. Breathing in, breathing out. Softening the shoulders, loosed fists, nice and loose. One more time, storm clouds. And then from here, release. Both hands drop down, drifting side to side, like tall grass in the breeze. Nice, gentle sway. And then shift all your weight over to one side, tap the heel right out in front. Bring it back in. Other side, shift the weight, tap the heel. All right, this time tap the heel, the hand comes over the foot. Other side, tap the heel, hand over the foot. All right, this time hand over the foot, the other hand in front of the heart. Playing the pipa, the Chinese guitar. Other side, tap the heel, hands come out in front. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, play the pipa. And then step in and hug the tree, step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, both arms drift over to the side and down, this time floating up to shoulder height. One hand makes an arrow, the other draws the bow, and then soften down. Rising back up, release the bow, other side. The other hand makes an arrow, draw the bow, soften down. This time you can draw the bow as you soften down. One more time on the other side, the archer. Then release, circle around, hugging the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, the arms open wide, the hands float down, palms face up, one hand on top of the other. This hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up. Breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time, both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down as you soften. Then circle the hands in front, as if you had a big ball in front of the body. Coming under, back up to the heart, and down. One more time, open the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. Then the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly. Bamboo in the wind. Feeling all the sensations in the body that arise. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart. We can finish with a bow. Thank you so much for joining me for this Tai Chi Flow. Stick around for a few more minutes for your poem of the day. So today's poem that I created specifically for this class is called Graceful Ease. Make every move without force or strain. Find effortless strength without the pain. With gentle flow, you'll find your way. With ease and grace, we learn to play. Thank you so much for joining me today. Make sure to click the link right here to watch your strength training video of the day, and I'll see you over there.